Hi guys, I just got this package from Jambo Books and look at the picture that is on this box. Look at it. It was made by a 7-year-old. Isn't that so crazy? Let's see what the books look like. And I can't wait to see Clubhouse Mysteries. Doesn't that look cool? And the My Undead Life. This one's gonna be good. There's another one called Frederick and the Wolf. This one is gonna be fun too. Did you guys know that Jambo is hello in Swahili? Swahili is a language spoken in East Africa. And they also have a book club. Make sure you joined it. Alright guys, so I'm going to read this Federico and the Wolf book. It's by Rebecca J. Gomez. Oh, so there's Federico and the wolf on this page. Isn't that so cool? Okay. Ooh, there's pictures. See, look at that. There's a picture. Once upon a modern time, a boy named Federico left to buy ingredients to make the perfect pico. Cuidado, called his mama as he pedaled towards the shops. Mind abuelo's grocery list and don't make other stops. Past the building, cars, and cabs, young Federico scurried until he reached the marketplace where people browsed unhurried. You guys, this book has Spanish! I'm so excited! Okay guys, so the next book we're going to read is My Undead Life by Emma T. Graves. Wait, it says this story has some seriously creepy stuff, including barfing, school musical auditions. No, that's not creepy. Freaking out in front of secret crushes. Mystery urges to eat raw meat. Ignoring your problems until the very last possible moment. Annoying little brothers. Oh yeah, and zombies. Keep reading if you want, but don't say I didn't warn you. Hi, I'm Tula Jones. I'm 12 years old, and I've just started at Evansville Middle School. I hope I can survive it. My BFF, Nikki Corvos, we've been inseparable since kindergarten. She's loud and funny and does not have a shy bone in her body. The opposite of me. My mom, she's a lawyer, which means she's great at arguing and likes to win. Every try to convince a lawyer to let you have dessert before supper, never gonna happen. My dad, he's an accountant and big into sports. He helps coach JB's soccer team and the middle school cross-country team. He also loves cheesy sayings like that I call Dad's memes. My little brother, JB, he's totally dorky and totally annoying. He owns more zombie comics than books. And books than any other fourth grader, or maybe even any library. My biology lab partner, Angela Stone, her family owns a funeral home, so she's always around dead people. Some kids say she's weird, but I think she's okay. My crush, Jeremy Romero, isn't he adorable? He just started going to my school. Too bad I don't have the guts to talk to him. You guys, this book sounds fun. Okay guys, so the next one I'm going to read is The Clubhouse Mysteries by The Buried Bones Mystery by Sharon M. Draper. Okay, so chapter 1. School was over and the summer morning stretched ahead like a soft, sweet piece of bubble gum. It was still early for a boy who just had finished 5th grade and promised himself he would sleep until noon every day of summer vacation. But the day was warm, and no matter how he tried to ignore it, the sunshine called him early to get up. Thanks again, Jambo, for these amazing books. Make sure you check them out, see where they are. Bye!